Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you in this video where when you find new coins, like what must you do when you get new coins. And like there are times for you to actually get into new coins. Sometimes new coins won't give you a profit. Sometimes you lose all your money, just like the Trump coin. I just want to mention and show to you guys about what I think it's like. You can invest into new coins and make a profit, and sometimes you won't make a profit. So it's also a best way to look at making money. And sometimes the gains can be 2,000 to 10,000% gains. So let me show you here. I'm using MEXC, and I'll show you. Okay, look, there's a new coin called Pen Gaming Coin. It's a company. And when the coin released, you see, as you could buy it, sometimes you're unlucky, you buy into the tip of it, and then it just completely falls down. Some coins will have a backing immediately that will shoot straight up. I still think this coin is a good investment. This coin is called Lingo. Lingo is also a gaming coin. It's really good, and I suggest that if you did buy into this coin early, you really made a good profit. But if you're still going to buy into the coin, we're still going to see some significant upside in the future for this coin. But you could see newly released coin. What it actually did, it shot up. This one here was a new release coin. It immediately was on a flat, and then it shot up to highs that it hasn't seen before. So this is what sort of money you can make on new coins. Not every new coin is going to show a significant pump, but always when you see the coins in these massive green candles, you're going to expect hype and trend that follow on after these coins. As you can see here, obviously, you can see this coin has also been hyped recently, and this was probably very trending, very high. And it's like new coins like these that you buy in. Sometimes you're lucky and you just hold and it just pops off. Sometimes you buy and it never pops off. So just like this new coin here, this BFC, I'm not going to say the name, but anyway, BFC, you never know if it's a good investment. Sometimes you can buy into it early and it kicks off, or sometimes you buy into it early and it just goes flat out down, where you won't make any money. So it is a 50% chance of a gamble, just like the Trump coin. It was a gamble too. But obviously, trending coins, they pump often. So this coin is also fairly new. You could see that it was starting from the top and made its way down to the bottom. How much more will it go down? Will it go back up? That's all that matters. All right, so let me show you Lingo. Lingo started off at the bottom, made its way up to the top. And if you bought into those sections, you're all in profit. But obviously, you all in profit to a certain time. Sometimes you can buy the top of the green candle expecting more euphoria, and all of a sudden it tumbles down. Is it still a good buy? Sure, maybe in the long run, but you've got to hold if you bought on the tops. Is it a good coin? I think it's still a good coin. I do believe. But yeah, I'm showing you, even Pen. Pen started long ago, Pentagon. It started long back, but the actual time of that little spike was the release of the coin. The software and the programming itself was released at those times, and it was held in liquidity. But you could see that it completely took a tumble down. Are you going to see backup highs? Absolutely. And do I still think it's a good coin to buy? Absolutely, because look how down rate it is. You're not seeing enough liquidity in the market to pull up this coin. So that's why you're seeing a lot of red on this coin and no pull-ups. Very good coins on the market. So take an example like Trump coin. Trump coin had its pump, and then afterwards it had its dump. But it's still, I mean, if you bought on the tops, hold on to the coin. Never get into a coin because of the starting hype and it's a new beginning coin. You're lucky to make a profit if you get into the coin in the beginning and charts just show you green candles the whole way. Sometimes you get into starting coins and it completely crashes. All I want to say, guys, is that if you want to get into new coins, that's also a quick way for you to actually make a lot of money. But you got to be willing to take the risk, risk it for the biscuit. So all I want to say, guys, is that always watch out and see what you want to get into and make sure that you're going to get into the right project. Sometimes you can get into a project that you'll never see the gains, and it's all a risk. This is, for me, one of the highest risks to take is to get into newer coins and expect profits. So what I do use is MEXC, this exchange that I use. pretty good to find little new coins out. Obviously KYC, but if you can start with this, then you can look for new coins like this, like Pen, like Lingo as well, and any other new coins that is trending there. Yeah.